In this lesson, we're going to learn about how corals reproduce. Corals can reproduce in two different ways. Firstly, via asexual reproduction, and secondly, by sexual reproduction. Let's take a look at how each of those work. In the event of turbulent waters, for example, if there's a storm, sometimes coral reefs can break into fragments. But in asexual reproduction, these fragments can reattach themselves to the substrate and grow and form brand new colonies. In sexual reproduction, many of the coral species have both an ovary and a testes, whereas some of them have separate sexes. Corals would release their sperm and eggs into the surrounding water, and the eggs will then become fertilized. Let us take a closer look at how this works. A coral colony begins when a planula larvae attaches to a hard surface. The planula develops into a polyp, and the polyp makes a cup of calcium carbonate underneath it. The polyp then reproduces asexually by budding and producing brand new polyps that in turn produce a calcareous cup underneath its own body. Next, the colony continue to grow as the new polyps repeat the budding process. As the colony continues to grow, some polyps develop gonads. The sperm and egg produced by these polyps are then shed into the surrounding water, where the eggs are fertilized, and the fertilized eggs develop into a new planula larvae. And this begins the process of colony formation over again.